Okay, now the installation of this is super easy. This is the camera right here that goes into the mount. Now, your typical RV these days come with this mount on the back, and it is pre-wired for a backup camera. Very easy, 4 screws, that's it. That's all it takes. Four screws, cap comes off just like that. Now, if you can see that right there, it is already pre-wired. So all it is plug and play, that's it. It's plugged in. The trickiest part would be getting these tiny little screws back in there. Now, I have seen a video where someone removed the existing mount that's on the back of the rig. Please don't do that. You're making way too much work for yourself. All you have to do is remove the 4 screws, pull the cap out, and put the camera in the existing mount right here. You don't have to worry about resealing it. That's the easiest way to install this camera. Okay, now if your rig did not come equipped with a pre-wired mount for a backup camera, then you will have to figure out how to wire this yourself. But if you're fortunate enough like me and you have the sharkfin mount on the back of your RV, then you don't have to worry about that. All you have to do is plug it in. Now, I don't know what the percentage is of RVs these days being manufactured that come with that, but there's a lot of them. I have a Forest River product, and most of the new RVs that I'm seeing these days have that shark fin mount on the back. So it's a real easy installation. Now that I have my camera mounted on the back, I just have 2 more decisions to make. One of those is exactly where I want to adjust the camera. You do have quite a range there of adjustment for your camera. I have decided to point my camera down for backing purposes only. So I pointed the camera down along with the recommendations of the instructions in the instruction manual, is that you want the camera kind of pointed towards the bottom edge of your rig and the street. So that gives you a good view for backing in. That's where I've adjusted my camera. But again, like I said, you have quite a bit of a range there to put it wherever you want to. So now that I've made that choice, my next decision is how to mount my 7-inch display screen here. It's got quite a bit of weight to it, and I have 2 different ways that I can mount this. I have this little apparatus right here, which is designed just to sit on the dash, and I'm looking, and I don't really see that that's going to work for my particular truck, for my interior of my truck. So I'm going to have to rely on the suction cup. Now, I haven't had the greatest of luck with these types of suction cups. They're kind of hit and miss. Sometimes they work good, sometimes they don't. You want to make absolute certain that your window is very clean. Make sure to clean the area really good before you install the suction cup, and also make sure that the suction cup itself is nice and clean. Now, I do very highly recommend the Furrion system. This is a great camera system. It's got a wonderful display, whether you have the 4.3 inch, the 5 inch, or the big 7-inch display screen like I have. These are just great systems to have, and highly recommend them. If you're interested in this camera, there is a link in the description below. Thanks again for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you out there.